In Motion, we have two different report types that you can create. To create a brand new report, click on Create Report up in the top left corner of your Motion dashboard. You're going to see the option to create top performing reports, and you're also going to see comparative analysis. How to think of these two different ones are top performing allows you to look at the individual ads and how they're performing, versus a comparative analysis is a higher level view, grouping different ads together to have that higher level analysis of which group is performing better than the other. We're going to dive into both of these a little bit later on, but just to quickly mention, we have those two different styles you can play around with. A couple other things to note on this left-hand side menu is you can create a brand new folder. To do that, click this plus button. It's going to create a folder similar to this, which I can bundle reports into. So think about creating folders to stay nice and organized based on whatever makes the most sense for you. For example, maybe you're wanting to check certain reports on a weekly cadence, on a monthly cadence, and then maybe you have other reports that are for your creative team, some other reports that are for the media buying side of things. Create those folders to stay nice and organized so people know where to go check based on your account. Other things to mention too is if I build out a whole entire set of reports and I want to duplicate that to another workspace, or even create a whole separate duplication of this within this existing workspace, I can do that as well. So click on these three dots next to a folder name and you have those two options. Think of these two options as maybe I have top of funnel and bottom of funnel ads, and I have created all my weekly reports that I want to separate by top of funnel for one, bottom of funnel for the next. Maybe I'll create those for top of funnel, duplicate that here, and then just adjust some of the filters. So now I'm looking at bottom of funnel for the next set of that folder, rather than doing all of them from scratch. On agency side of things, if you have a bunch of different clients within your account and you've created a whole set of reports that work really well within that one client account, but you want to pull those over to your other clients, very easy to do by duplicating it to another workspace. So you can do that either on the folder level, but you can do it on the individual report level as well if needed. Last thing to mention is if you are in a report and say you're changing up filters, adding a different date range, maybe playing around with the metrics here, and you don't want to overwrite the existing report, you actually can click up here in the top right-hand corner and select to save as a new report. That's just going to allow you to, again, create a brand new copy of that report without overwriting the existing one, which you can then filter into the different folders you've created. It's a quick walkthrough of the Motion platform in the sense of like the left-hand side menu and editing. We're going to now dive into actually creating some different reports, some different use cases for Motion.